Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday, we're featuring the 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQE E3 20 Plus SUV. As a luxury electric SUV, the EQE SUV delivers smooth acceleration, refined comfort, and advanced driver technology. With its fully electric powertrain, regenerative braking system, and increased vehicle weight, it requires braking components that maintain quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and consistent performance in every driving condition. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing smooth, predictable braking and low noise under EV-specific conditions. Designed to integrate seamlessly with regenerative braking, these components help manage load and heat while preserving the refined driving experience drivers expect from a luxury EV. GeoSpec coated rotors offer long-lasting corrosion protection, supporting both performance and appearance across all climates. OE-specific designs ensure precise fitment and reliable installation, helping technicians service the EQE SUV efficiently and accurately. Whether navigating urban traffic, cruising the highway, or operating in mixed driving conditions, DFC braking components help the EQE SUV maintain confidence, control, and comfort mile after mile. For added convenience, DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, streamlining inventory for distributors and improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC is proud to support the 2026 EQE SUV with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for OE-level performance, durability, and the quiet, refined operation luxury EV drivers demand. If you missed this week's Must Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.